Here's the question we're going to be looking at today, where we're told on the 1st of January 2016, Donald was X years old, Kim was 5 years older than Donald, and Vladimir was twice as old as Donald. In A part 1, we have to write down in terms of X the ages of Kim and Vladimir at the start of 2016. So first of all, since we're told Donald was X years old and Kim is 5 years older than Donald, that means Kim's age is X plus 5. Also, since we're told Vladimir is twice Donald's age, we can write this as 2x. Moving on to part 2, we're asked to write down in terms of X the ages of Donald, Kim and Vladimir in 2018. Now since 2018 is 2 years after 2016, Donald's age is now X plus 2. This means that Kim's age is X plus 5 plus another 2 years, which is equal to X plus 7. And adding 2 onto Vladimir's age gives us 2x plus 2. In part 3, we have to write down an equation in X to show that the product of Donald and Vladimir's age in 2018 is equal to the square of Kim's age in 2016. So Donald's age in 2018 is X plus 2, and Vladimir's is 2x plus 2. Now the word product means multiply, so we need to multiply these values together. And we're told that this value is the same as the square of Kim's age in 2016, so that's X plus 5 squared. So now we have an equation in terms of X, and all we have to do is simplify it. So first of all, multiplying out the brackets on the left hand side gives us 2x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 4. And to square out the brackets on the right hand side, we first square the first number, which is x, so that gives us x squared. Then we square the second number, which is 5, so that gives us 25. And then we multiply twice the first number by the second number, which gives us 2x times 5, which is just 10x. Now we need to bring everything over to one side of the equation, which we can do by taking x squared away from both sides, as well as taking away 25 and 10x. Then we're left with x squared minus 4x minus 21 on the left hand side, and 0 on the right hand side. And this is what we were asked to show in the question, so that's the end of part 3. In part 4, we're asked to solve this equation, and since it's a quadratic equation, we can use the minus b formula. So the minus b formula says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a, where a is the coefficient of the x squared term, which in this case is 1, b is the coefficient of the x term, which here is minus 4, and c is the value of the constant term. So plugging these values for a, b and c into the formula, we get x is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 84 divided by 2. Now 16 plus 84 is equal to 100, and the square root of 100 is equal to 10. So this gives us x is equal to 4 plus or minus 10 divided by 2. So this gives us two options, x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3. However, only one of these answers can be correct, and since it's impossible to be minus 3 years old, the correct answer is x is equal to 7. So that's the answer for part 4. In part 5, we're asked how old was Vladimir on the 1st of January 2018. So we have to use our answer from part 4, which is that x is equal to 7, to find Vladimir's age. So we worked out previously that Vladimir's age in 2018 was 2x plus 2, which in this case is 2 times 7 plus 2, which is equal to 16. So that's the answer for part 5. Moving on to part B, we're told Donald's height h in meters is given by the formula h squared plus 8h minus 17 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of h correct to 2 decimal places and write down Donald's height to the nearest centimeter. So again, this is just another quadratic equation, which we can solve using the minus b formula, but in this case we're trying to find h instead of x. So here the value of a is 1, the value of b is 8, and c is equal to minus 17. So once we plug these values into the minus b formula, we get h is equal to minus 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 plus 68 divided by 2. And if you plug these values into your calculator, you find h is equal to 1.74 meters, or h is equal to minus 9.74 meters. Now clearly someone can't be minus 9 meters tall, so the correct answer is h is equal to 1.74 meters, and that's Donna's height. So that's the end of this question. I hope you found this solution video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.